What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Private testing today. We're trying to get ready for the no prep race that's happening at Rockingham Dragway. That's happening next Friday and Saturday. First round Friday night is at 6 o'clock. Saturday, I think it's the same thing, but we got to make it through Friday night in order to race on Saturday. If you lose Friday night, you're sitting on the trailer all day on Saturday. There's some talk of having a second chance race for the losers on Friday night. We may do that if they do it, as long as it's not too terribly expensive to hop in. But we're down here, we're gonna make a couple passes. Hopefully, my goal is to make like maybe 4 passes. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. We still got that free entry giveaway happening. Win yourself a flip coin that costs you nothing to get entered. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, guys, we're down here at Thunder Valley. They're gonna be doing some testing down here Thursday night. So depending on how it goes, we may be back Thursday night to test as well. We're at the top of the track. And you can see down here, they've got this nice concrete burnout pad, and then they've got this asphalt launching area. This is not gonna be like dig or die at the top of the track on Rockingham. This is actually pretty fast. You can actually go pretty decent. And you see everybody prefers the left lane over here, but this is what we're after. So somebody else has been down here testing as well. And this is exactly what we need. There's a little bit of rubber base. You can see they've been pouring your own puddle here. No sticky left, which that's good. That's exactly what we want. So this is gonna be what we need to do to see if we can make this thing work. And now this is really rough, very similar to what Darlington is. You know, lots of cracks. Over there, they got a nice little concrete area, but we're gonna avoid that. This is real similar to Rockingham. So we're gonna make a few passes, see if we can get down. I don't know if I'll make a full 1/8 mile pass. We got the draggy, so we're gonna at least make some 300-foot hits. All right, let's get it unloaded real fast. What you think?
How was this experience?
This experience was wonderful. All right, guys, here we go. So we got the tire pressure. We set them on 11 pounds. This thing really does look like it's got the Carolina squat happening. Man, wait till y'all see it in person. And that's as far down as I can get it in the front, the way everything is set up, and that's the way it was before. So we got the shock settings where we think they need to be. Chase is down there filming. Looks like I might have some rain. Randy's down here. Appreciate it. So we got our stripper glitter. We're gonna be using that for our burnout stuff traction today. So let's go make that. right, guys, so we're gonna roll up there and make another pass. That pass that I just had in it was the fastest pass that I had done at Rockingham last time we were there. So I was hoping it was going to take it and all these changes I made were going to work, but that's not the case. So what we are going to do, I did just check air pressure. Somebody mentioned to me on my video last time to be extra careful, and I forgot about it, but they said that the air pressure will go up more without a tube in it, and they were exactly right. With a tube, we were seeing about a half a pound increase of air pressure. It went up about 1.1 pounds that time. So it was, we had them on 11 starting. I figured they would go to about 11 and a half, but they went to past 12. So we dropped them down to 11 again, dropped the launch RPM, and we're gonna change the boost ramp. Let's see if it makes it through. The data log, that was a rookie mistake on my end. I have to do a burnout with the scramble button on, so I forgot to turn the scramble off. So that was the reason why it spun that time. It tried to jump up as soon as it got up on boost. I'm really surprised it hooked as hard as it did at 4,000 RPM on the leave, honestly. So we're going to try that same tune up again. We're going to just leave the hood off of it. We're going to try to get another pass in. I don't know if we're going to make it or not after this one. So we're going to try to get this one and one more is our plan. I don't know if it's going to happen or not, so we'll see here in just a second. All right, here we go. Next pass. Some pretty severe storms coming. It's coming this way. Looks like we got maybe another hour. So it ended up with just me and Nick down here. He made a lot of changes. Y'all seen that truck out. He's had that truck out for a long time. And it's now he's got some good suspension in the back. guys, wow, what a sandstorm. Man, that was insane. It was, when I was pulling up there, oh my goodness. All right, so actually we might be able to make one more, guys. I'm just kidding. Nobody's down. We already got everything loaded up. That pass was better. It still didn't go super fast, but it didn't spin until it got on out there and got on the boost curve. So we still got some work to do. This is very similar to what Darlington is, which is not what Rockingham is going to be. But you know, we wanted to get out here and at least make some passes and see what was going to happen, because we don't have the weight like we did before. So I think we're going to be okay. It looks like it's going to take a little bit less power early, from what I can tell. It's going to depend on the pool we get on Friday night. If we get one of those pools on Friday night where we're first or second pair, I think we got a tune-up that we can go partially down through there. And at that pass, I made it most of the way, and I let off of it still a little bit early. It would be competitive for first round, still not a lot, but we got, I don't know, we'll see. Not having that weight right back there on that parachute mount, that's a big deal for us. And it's a big deal, it's not just us. So, all right, guys, well, looks like we're going to just get sprinkled on a little bit. Storm's gnarly. I appreciate Randy coming out, and Slick Nick, he come out, brought his truck out, made a couple passes. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Dig or Die this weekend, Friday night, first round, 6 o'clock. Come see us later.